Hello, good morning once again, Pickleball friends. This is Pickleball Ace here. Today, let's just do a quick unboxing of this new paddle that I got from Spinwave Pickleball. And so this is one of those Gen 4 paddles. I got it yesterday, but I didn't have time to open it or record a video because yesterday was Halloween and everybody's busy. And my kid has some trick-or-treating, okay? And so it's just today that I had a chance to record a video of this unboxing for you guys. Alright, let's do it. So as I always like to just cut across right here. I'm gonna do a time-lapse. Too excited for this. Right, here we are. Ta-da! This is the J2NF by Honolulu. This is the long handle version. So it came with a paddle cover. And this is the Sword and Shield J2NF 16mm. Let's open it up. There you go, nice, very nice. Here we go. What a nice paddle. You got that Sword and Shield. It says the Sword and Shield. There we go. So let's just read a little bit about this one. So the surface material, they say, is carbon fiber, fiberglass, carbon fiber layup, CFC hybrid composite. And so the NF stands for notched foam, so it's like this. 60mm. And this is the 6 inches. Very good grip. See? And so swing weight between 110 114, twist weight 6'7", and spin rating RPM is 2270 RPM for 1 minute. Right. And so, yep, that's the basic of it. Just an unboxing, quick look. Honolulu company. And it says designed and engineered in Hawaii. So I'm excited to take this to court. There you go. Alright, see you guys. Just an unboxing, quick unboxing. Thank you. Hit subscribe.